Before starting the lesson, I would like to tell a few lines of our founder teacher P.K. Jha. This is a famous line written by William Shakespeare in his tragic drama Julius Caesar. Cowards die many times before their death, and it is true when we see Mr. P.K. Jha. He proved himself as a founder, as an experienced teacher of Vikramshila coaching institution when there was nothing, only this coaching has its existence in this area. Okay, now I'm just going to start the lesson, but before this, one thing I expect from you should expect from me, unnecessary advice should be avoided by me or by anyone because you are the students of class 10. You know better than me what to do, how to do, and where to do. You know all these things about your syllabus, about your study material. It is quite useless to take time in preaching all these things. Okay, second thing, uh, mind it, don't call me a teacher. Don't call me a teacher. I am a learner. And yesterday I told you about reciprocal learning. Vaski says a teacher learns from his student, a student learns from his teacher. Both are learners. And you should also know that learning is a continuous process. Learning knows no limitation and it is going on. Okay, so here I would like to yesterday I uh, have been teaching you. I taught you yesterday the lesson tense. But before this, I would like to tell you about yourself, about all of you. Suppose there is a teacher, he teaches a particular topic, but different students get it in different ways. So there was a psychologist, his name was Harvard Gardner. He proposed the theory of multiple intelligence. According to this theory, every student has his or her level of understanding. One can be a pilot, one can be a singer, one can be a painter, one can be an IS officer. So they have different intelligence level. Okay, so yesterday I taught you tense. Today again I'm going to continue it. And yesterday I told you about tense table. But before this, I would like to teach you simple present. Okay, you should know. Yesterday I told you about simple present. In this, action is simply mentioned. Nothing is said whether the action is complete or not. I read, I play. Nothing is said, the action is complete or not. Second thing, we use universal truth or general truth in simple present. How? For example, the earth moves around the sun. This is your general truth. Okay, for general truth, we will use we will use simple present. Okay, uh, for example, two and two make four. Okay, we will never use two and two are making four. If we use two and two are making four, it simply means that sometimes it makes four, sometimes it does not make four. It is not a general truth. Okay, so the earth moves around the sun. The general truth. You will get a lot of examples. Second, for a habitual action. For habitual action, we use simple present. For example, I take a walk every day. Okay, I take a walk. I take a walk every day. Suppose we say I am taking a walk every day. It simply means that it is not your habitual action. It is not done routinely. It is done sometimes. It is done sometimes. It is left. Okay. So for habitual action, we will use simple present. Second, for example, if she never tells a lie. Okay, she never tells a lie. This is habitual action. They go to school every day. This is habitual action. Okay, uh, uh, I go to cinema. I go to the cinema every Sunday. Okay, so all these are habitual action, and in habitual action we will use simple present. Okay, so second thing, uh, third one where we will use, suppose if I have to use in exclamatory sentence. Okay, uh, uh, in exclamatory sentence, then starting with here and there, we will use simple present. Okay, I'm just going to tell you what is exclamatory sentence. It expresses our sudden feeling of hurt, whether the matter of whether it is a matter of joy or sorrow. Okay, alas, Gandhiji, no more. Hurrah, we won the match. All these are exclamatory sentences, and it generally ends with note of exclamation. Okay, so in exclamatory sentence, when it starts with here and there, we will use simple present. For example, here she comes, there goes the train. Okay, number four, to to denote some state of mind or some mental activities, uh, we use simple present. Okay, state of mind. mind. For example, uh, I think the newcomer is fit for job. Okay. Second, and again, I'm giving one example. Uh, uh, we, or you can say, uh, the doctor, the doctor feels the patient is responding. Okay, in this way, we will use simple present when it denotes mental activities or some state of mind. Okay, and after that, I'm just going to tell you some other part. Uh, for example, it in uh, the things, the things, the thing which is permanent and it will never change. Okay, uh, permanent, permanent, and never change. For example, uh, uh, the Taj stands at Agra. The road leads to Mumbai. Okay, so something that is permanent and never change. Okay, we will use simple present. Okay, now after that, I would like to tell you. Just listen the question carefully. Do we use future action in simple present? I think you have some confusion. Okay, I'm telling you we can use future action also in simple present. How? Listen the sentence carefully. Our Prime Minister leaves for the USA next week. Here you get the line, get the verb leaves leaves. It is in simple present and it is the action denotes future time. So future action can also be used in simple present. Next example I am giving you, our school reopens on Monday. Okay, this is also future action, but it has been used in simple present. So here I'm giving you, I'm writing the sentence to denote future action. Okay, the CM of Bihar lives for Delhi next week. He gets his promotion Next, here. Okay, so it is here. Now, again, I'm going to ask you a simple question. Do we use past action in simple present? Yes, we use it. Listen carefully. Past action can also be used in simple present. How? Look here the example. Past action in simple present. Okay, look here it is robbers attack the village last night and loot and loot valuables and cash. Okay, so it is here past action in simple present, future action in simple present. Okay, now here I'm just going to tell you some rules. For example, if you generally we use simple present in sports, uh, sports. Uh, in a football match or cricket match, we use simple. Generally, we use okay for to make it alive. Okay, uh, in sports during commentary. You okay? How? For example, Virat Kohli tries to hit the ball and misses it. Okay, during commentary. Second example, Jadeja, Jadeja hits the ball and scores six. Okay, so these are the different parts, different ways we use simple present. Okay, but that is not enough for you. Now I'm going to teach you simple present, the basic rule, or you can say that is applicable, that is very useful to all of you. Okay, so just uh, wait, I'm just going to do it. Uh, Simple present. Okay, simple present. Okay, Positive statement. Positive statement. Okay. Or assertive sentence. So the rule is subject plus V1 or SES and object. Okay. Simple present positive statement subject V1 S or ES and object. For example, if the subject is I, we will use play. We will not use plays. Play cricket. Okay. What is? As I told you yesterday, this is subject. It is also called doer. The person who does that called doer. Doer. Okay. And what is object? Object is a word after using what or whom after verb. If you get the answer, it is called object. I play. Okay, play what? We get the answer. Cricket. They read. They read English. They read what? English. The teacher. The teacher teaches us. The teacher teaches whom, us. We get the answer. So it is called object. So doer is called subject and object is called when we get the answer what on these are called object. Okay. So look here. This is your personal pronoun. All these are. But here I would like to tell you. Here I do not use place. Here I do not use as. But here I have used yes. Yes. Why? Why? So look here, to understand this basic rule, I would like to tell you about number. Number means it is singular number. There are two kinds of number. It is and another is plural number. It is your first person, okay, second person, okay, and third person. Let me make it clear to all of you. First of all, you should know singular and plural. Both are called number. Okay. Second thing, what is first person, second person, third person? I think you should know it. And as a student of CBSE medium, you put emphasis on literature and language instead of grammar. But now this is the time for you to go through all these basic topics. Otherwise you have to face the problem while writing the sentences. You will commit a lot of mistakes in sentence. You know the answer of the question, you know the content, you have read the summary, but whenever you are going to write the answer, you will commit mistake. You will commit mistake. So this is a problem for you. Some students did not do not obtain good marks in the examination. It is because of this reason, and some students get obtain very good marks in the examination. It is because of grammar. Grammar is the backbone of English. English. Okay, I am not talking about spoken English. I am talking about writing section, writing skill.